Okay, I just accidentally pressed that. Okay, just my LED light. It has 16 bulbs. Switch it on my regular light. Much better. Today we're going to be unboxing this. Just picked up from CDR King. It's so cool. If we can read that. Oh no, it's at the back. LCD screen cleaning kit from CDR King. If you can see, it's for 30 pesos, not dollars. Yeah, it has no warranty, no replacement because it's a spray, and you know. Now, let's see. Get the thing out, and voila, it's done. Pretty easy to do this, but yeah. Thing here. Okay. So you'll have your cloth. Okay. Wait a second. Wow, really cleans it. So my LCD. I think it's LED, not LCD. Sure it is. It is. And because it's a cleaning kit, we have spray with your cover to get off. There you go. Spray is good. I don't know if you can see that. Let's put this on my keyboard. And finally, the brush. It says something like this. I don't know what this is used for, but I find it interesting. Whoops. Press something. Well, if you can see that, it's a brush. You brush it on your keyboard. Like what I'm doing right now. There's a mini vacuum also that I choose not to. Because, like, I don't know. It's just like, I don't know how to ask my father. I get a little crazy. So, this is your CDR King cleaning kit. So, yeah. Whoopsie. So that was like supposed to be it. So I'm going to put it in the box again for some reasons that it will be not messy inside my room. And I'll just put you inside. Whenever I need you, I'll just get you in the box. So any trash, throw them away like you used to. If those people who don't throw their garbage, oh, I want to say something to you. Grow up. So that was it. Yeah, that was the unboxing of my cleaning kit. So